I got a shop, buy some coal, but the shop door locked. So I call and see if the lady gone. The lady gone, my salt. Serve! Serve! Shop lock, people. Lock, 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 lock. I'm already set up outside already, for the vlog. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do it indoor, outdoor. So, prepare outdoor and cook the food indoor. So, I'm gonna do it. Alright, so look more. Catch you now back in the kitchen. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a fish run now. So see fish here. So we have seasoning, herbal seasoning, onion, scallion, thyme and all that. Right? And also I put yam in it, breadfruit, so flour here so authentic native dry coconut. They may not well dry still, but they can do a thing. You know, we blend we pot the water and everything right here so. Right? But honestly, shop lock so I'm gonna do it indoor outdoor. So first I'm gonna do grater. I'm gonna blend the coconut. Cause even the cold pot here. So get the coconut sorted out and put it on pan fire. Don't good at all. Second one. As you see, well dry. But you can nothing see me. Months to the different and half it. Cut up and then we wash off. Wash off. And get them blend. Kill enough back as low. So you blend the peeps. Can't everything blend because them soft and that tough. Kind of well fit. I will dry, I should say. Alright, that done do it thing. To wash up, I'm going to strain the coconut milk now. And then get it straighten up. Coconut trash like this. Yeah, so guys, you can leave in the comment section and tell me who eat the coconut trash with sugar when them was a little youth. Cause I did it. So at the daytime, couldn't waste. A race between me and my sister and brother for the coconut trash. Sweet with sugar. Milk so nice, so I'm show them. I can see milk, very rich and nice. Add some water to this. And go again. Come on, everything on tight. Coconut, the magic nut. Anything I put coconut in, happy nice. Happy nice. Alright, see that guys? Say milky and nice, rich and nice. It's rich and nice peeps. So time to turn up on the fire. So you can go and cook. And I add some pimento berry to it. Pimento berry or allspice because that's internationally known as. So pimento or allspice. So pimento one of Jamaica #1 spice, right? And I would say one of the #1 spice to come out of the Caribbean. And I think pimento used as medicinal purposes also. What I'm gonna do, I'll put it on the screen. So I research it and put it on the screen. I'm gonna see what I go on, you see me? Yeah, so just to confirm, I'm gonna research it, put it on the screen so I see what I go on. So I did it, so this now for trying on the fire. As you see, the shop lock, so I'm gonna get the coal, so I put this indoor, so I'm gonna do indoor, outdoor. Do the pepperwork outside and then do the rest inside the cooking part. So time now make the flour and the dumpling. Dumpling finish need for now. So yeah. Time to peel up the breadfruit and the yam. Alright guys, so I'm go ahead and add in the breadfruit in the pot already. So I'm adding the dumpling now and the yam, and then adding the fish last. Alright, so I'm adding the dumpling now and putting the Maggi season and the herbal seasoning and make everything go and cook down, and then put in the fish last. Alright, so adding the yam now. The yam. And I'm trying now to add in the dumpling. I don't have a cameraman right now, so I put on the camera and put in the dumpling in the pot, and then I show you what I go on. Don't want your dumpling then, because I'm the best dumpling maker. Just roll and press. So make it dumpling to me. I can't come in with it. Alright guys, I'm adding Maggi season, Jamaica #1 season, or Jamaica national season. Alright, that is it. So we can find a pepper, add to it also with flavor. So peeps, I'm cut out the herbal season now and add to this the onion and tomato and all that. See, look, rich and nice, natural native coconut. Yeah man, so this you go down, thick up like a gravy. So let's go cut the herbal season now and check the pepper tree. So it's no pepper. Alright peeps, look on guava with man. Hey, look on guava. Guava and tree, how come we pick some? Hey, a plant and a ripe, a busha. See peeps, that's why we live in the country, you know. Yeah, plantain tree, pear tree, plantain and ripe. If we come up on the pepper tree here, see how fine, if we come up pepper, the right seed arrive, right that eat it. I come pick it right now and throw in a rundown, say rundown have a nice like a sweet flavor to it. I come cut it right now, so check it pepper tree. Pepper tree hardly a beer. Tree and I cool. So one here but the one here young. So it's spongy. It's young. So one here peeps. One here. Oh, look cool, but the one is so good. I'm not 100%, so I just pick the two of them and add to the pot. When I burst them there, cut it up. I'm out of the flavor. Yeah, see if we have some young one right here, so young one there again. So peeps, the tree fall down. So as you see, the tree fall down. See here, fall down. So that's why he plant them that big. You see it? They're really big. Because the tree fall down. Yeah man, so broke it out of your heart. Just broke it out of your heart. See there? Broke it out of your heart. Because man cut that farm. Can't come back. Country style, like you see? They're not that big. Because the tree fall down, as you see. So wow. So I add some of them here to the rundown. So it's nice up here, a sweet flavor. Yeah man guys, if you have like a sweet potato, you can add that to it also. So you get a little sweet flavor same way, you know? Nice like vibes. So I'm gonna get the seasoning cut up now and add the seasoning and plantain to a pot. So that is it. That the country, cause we live in the country, no peeps. So you live in the country, you can go everywhere. Cause I come here and look pepper and find planting. You can go somewhere, you can get banana, everything grow over the bush. With that country, so that's why country people can live so long and healthy and strong and can cook. So because when you live in the country and in a really financially stable, have money like that, so you grow up poor, right? You just walk and pick up like a dry coconut, grate it and blend it, cook it down with the saltfish and the yam and banana, everything down in one like all in one style, you see me? So that's why we at country can live so long, so healthy and strong and know cook and know different style of cooking because so much in here we just experiment with food. Yeah man, that is it. And I'm say guys, anybody overseas, the best way to know about Jamaican culture is through food. So when eating a dish from Jamaica, authentic Jamaican dish, is like reading a book about Jamaica. So the ingredients like the pepper now, the plantain, the breadfruit, the dumpling, would be like the character in that book, and the dish is the book. That is it. So come on down, have some authentic Jamaican food and just all the vibes. Yeah man guys, so I'm adding the pepper and the plantain them. Alright. So I'm going to go down and give it some more and then add in the herbal season and the fish. So the fish and the season them add in same time. See? So give it I get thick. Be a love this. Be a love I say coconut, the magic nut. Or magic. Yeah man, see pepper don't cut up. Cause flavor more I wanna heat. More flavor. And guys, want to leave in the comments why Jamaicans always knock the spoon and the fork and the pot side like this 3 times. It's a Jamaican thing, so comment below and tell me why. Alright guys, so what we're going to know, it's time for adding the season. Adding the season and the fish. So the gravy well thick already. Cut up, when I cut up with time, you know, because we're on a stick. When cook, then we just take out the stick. See? Thing cook. Say thick up and nice, so time for adding the fish. Rub the season on the fish and show him. Show him in the pattern now, say thick and nice. Yeah man. So go for the fish now. Rub all the Maggi season pan him, you know. Go fish and all purpose. So adding him on the top. And then all the way do kind of sink him in the gravy for a bit and throw on some gravy on him. Yeah man, that. If you want steam on top. Yeah. I will turn on the fire. Say slow cook now. Because I fire now, no. Alright. Work on now guys. Boat land. So I get the share out now and then taste what going. Alright peeps. So what going there. Yeah man, see plantain, dumpling, the fish and the yam. So yam soft and nice. Yeah, me burn it up wicked, you know. Cause it's soft. I tell you man, burn it up wicked. Alright guys, so what going now. I taste the fish first because a good one now, I have the fish about a month now in the freezer. So I taste what going. Good same, you know. but you can definitely taste the fish, fresh. Can I say about a month now I have it in the freezer. Like last time I do the net fishing, yeah. So I try the plantain now. You know, well sweet because as you see, it never well ripe and it never 100% fit because the tree fall down as you see. But if you haven't got something same, you know, still better than nothing. Yeah man, notice, yeah man, no. Rub on the gravy. Rub on the gravy. Guys, you can taste all the season and all that. The rich coconut flavor, the gravy. See me can show now the gravy. You ready to now so I go on. Anyway, but gravy well nice. Our dumpling, nice. Because everything suck the nice coconut flavor there. That nice native dry coconut, everything just get the flavor there. So guys, I finish consume this and my catch you. Wow, so wicked man. My catch you in our next video. So remember like, comment, share and subscribe. My mash down so know. Really nice food, really good stuff. So look more. So I go on guys, food mash up belly full. So keep up the rest. Yeah, man, enjoy the rest. So I'm gonna say look more. Like, share, comment, subscribe.